You are going to love the 2009
Ram Pickup 2500. The Ram 2500 is built with sturdy hydroformed frames and capable four-wheel drive options to handle the toughest job site terrain while maintaining a smooth ride. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, security alarm, power adjustable pedals, trailer tow group. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.